So you can see uh, you can see this Orient LED fan has different LED colors. You can see colors keep on changing in this fan. You can keep red color, you can keep blue color, if you want you can keep a green color or yellow or orange, whatever color you like. So this is one of the fantastic features this fan has. Normally other LED fan has only white LED. It doesn't have different colors. And also you can program this fan, if you just press this button automatically the colors keep on changing like disco light. It's really wonderful atmosphere in bedroom. Children obviously like these features, and even elder people also, everybody like this. The colors keep on changing. You see red to green and red color to yellow, then start blinking. Different programs are there in this fan, so you can program as you like. You can like this way you can do, or in another program after 5 minutes you start glowing in another color, different colors continuously glowing. This fan has a lot of programs. You see blue color now changes into yellow, again blue, yellow, so start blinking fastly, continuously. Now you can see green and yellow, similarly it starts blinking. And also this fan has full function remote. You can adjust the speed from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever speed you like you can keep. And timer is there. You can set timing and automatically you can turn off the fan after some time. If you're turning on the AC, you want to turn off the fan after 10 or 15 minutes, automatically the fan turns off. Once again, if you want to turn on, you can set the program. So wonderful fan. This is Orient electric multifunctional LED fan, remote control. The description I gave, this is the name of the fan is Orient electric multi-function remote control multicolor LED fan. Yeah, you can see the color key is so beautiful. See the pink color is so beautiful. The pink and so awesome. See, looks so beautiful. Now the color, probably you can see that the color changes, blinking, keep on blinking, pink and yellow. See the violet, purple color now. Now purple, so beautiful. See the purple color, yellow and purple. Looks awesome. Yeah. I hope you like this. So see the keeps on blinking. You can see the fan. Now it turns on to the orange color. You see, orange and yellow. See different colors start blinking. Well, again it goes to the red, yellow, again. So you can see the remote control. You can see the remote control. It has full function remote control. All functions are there in this remote. You can see the full function remote. You can see all functions are there. So thank you very much for watching. Have a great day, and I appreciate you like this video, and please subscribe this channel. Thank you. Bye.